In today's video, we'll be looking at the 7 parts of a web page. So what we'll be doing, we'll be looking at the web page which we built some time ago using the online website builder. So here's a project. I'm going to open it. The name of the template was the project. Right. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to preview the site which we made using the online website builder. So I'm going to click on this icon that says preview. And here now I'm looking at the widescreen mode, which will be the screen that will be shown on a desktop or a laptop. I'm going to click on the icon for the tablet to show you what the site would look like on a tablet, right? So here now, where the first part of the web page is the header. The header is this top section of the web page. So the header would have the logo for the site, and also it would have the menu bar or the navigation bar. So here is a logo here, this leaf, and here I have the hamburger icon, which when you click on it, it shows the sidebar, which will give you the different pages that you can navigate to using this navigation bar here or this menu bar. Okay, so if I close this, right, we're looking at the header, right? So this header has a search component on the header, right? So if I click on the mobile icon to see how the web page will appear on a mobile phone, when I click on it, we can see that the header is still at the top of the web page. We're going to click and go back to the large screen mode. This would be the navigation bar or menu bar. This picture here that you're looking on is the hero or features image. The features or hero image is the main image on the site that grabs your attention, and it would summarize what the site is about, right? Then the next thing you would have is a sidebar, right? I can close this and insert a sidebar for you, right? So remember, to insert something on there, you have to use maybe this. I'm gonna carry it across here, right? And what I'll do is click on this and then I expand it to convert it to a sidebar. A sidebar is a long rectangular bar on the right hand side of the website that has secondary content to the primary content would be what you type on the home page. That will be primary, and what you have in the sidebar will be secondary information. So in the sidebar, you could have call to actions button, such as a contact us button in that section. So we're gonna type this sidebar has secondary information to the primary information on the home page, right? All right, so for a sidebar, let us upload an image so that we can see it. We're gonna put this in there, okay, and then we can, this is our sidebar, right? All right, let us insert the carousel image on the photos page. So we're going to go to photos. Gonna come down, gonna go back to the insert, gonna insert a slider. So I'm gonna click this plus button, upload an image. Then we're gonna choose the images. I'm gonna choose this for today. We're gonna click OK. Gonna click another image. So we're gonna click the plus button, click upload. Alright, I'm gonna insert this image, open. I'm gonna insert a third image. I'm gonna put this image, open. Alright, so we press click insert, and this will be our slider, right? So we go to our preview, and here now we can scroll to see the different photographs that we uploaded on our slider, right? The next component on the website is website content, right? So the website content are all the elements that are on the website, such as photographs and the text or videos that communicate the message to the user, right? I'm gonna click to the home, go to the home page. So the other component for the website would be the footer, right? So the footer would be this area. We're gonna come out of the preview. The footer will be the footer is the same thing as the header, but it is below the bottom of the web page, and it normally has the email, the contact us, the privacy policy, and maybe a sitemap. So this is how you would create your website using an online builder software. In summary, we looked at how we use an online builder to use a template to make our website.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.